Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can use Qikink with Shopify, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm on my dashboard on Shopify, and I'm going to go and install the Qikink app. You can go do this by going to Apps, click on it, and as you can see, I already have this installed. If I click this, it'll show a blocked connection for some reason, most likely because it's region locked, but you can just search for it and install it over here. Now what you're going to want to do as well is create a Qikink account if you don't already have one. You can also do this through the site. You can log into Qikink and then search for the Shopify integration and just install it through there, and it's just gonna take you to the storefront and ask for you to install it as well. But yeah, once you install it, it'll show up in your apps menu right over here as it did for me, and you can pin it to your navigation if you want to. I won't be doing that, but once you install it, you'll have access to Qikink right through the Shopify dashboard, and you can use it to integrate it to your site. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.